everybody. My name's Owen McLane, and I'm from the great state of Columbia, South Carolina, here in the United States. And I have become a very big fan of the Collision 5A reaches. I've always been a big 5A guy just because my hands are very long, but they're not super big. So I've always been able, it feels really nice grip to get around. And I've always used, Vic Firth and ProMark, and I've used the extended version of their 5As, but they really just don't give me the length that I need. But these Collision 5A reaches really do. I think it's about a 2 millimeter difference, but it really makes a huge difference when you're playing, and it doesn't make you have to extend as far enough. And this really gives you everything that you want. I've been playing drums here in America for about 10 years now. I started when I was about 8 or 9 years old, and I'm currently 18 years old. And I really enjoy that the Collision family, they reached out to me. I've never heard of them before. I've seen them around before, but never tried their sticks. And bought a pair of sticks, tried them out, and I instantly fell in love, man. They've got everything I'm looking for. They feel really nice, and they don't break. They don't break as easily as all my other sticks. I'd go through about a pair of sticks every week, maybe 2 weeks if I was lucky. I've yet to break a pair of these sticks. So, I'm really looking forward to being a part of this Collision family, and I really enjoy, how much they feel like a real family. Other companies, they just kind of act like you're a part of the family, but they don't really care about you. This Collision family, I truly feel that they care about me, and they really want to see me succeed. So today for you guys, I'm going to be playing a song called Killing in the Name Of by my current favorite band, Rage Against the Machine, and I personally think they're the greatest band ever. You can argue with me on that, but we're going to test these out and show you what Collision's all about.
Some of those that work forces draw the same